if you look at under this powers PMIC, you will see the CPU, Central Processing Unit power, under this. So all these things are around the PMIC, the PMIC, that's Power Management Integrated Circuit. All these things are there, and this is how it looks like. It's always like this. So each of these thing can be numbered one, two, can be numbered like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each of them has their lines. This particular IC has their lines, and each of them is receiving and is emitting. It's receiving and it's emitting all these things. So all these things we are seeing here: the CPU, the ROM, the display, the RF, that's the radio frequency power. All of them are connected to this particular IC. So if this one is damaged, is bad, see the CPU, this ROM, this display, this RF, radio frequency will not work. It will not turn on. The phone will be shut down. It will not charge. It will not power on. Do you understand it? Can you now see? That is how it works. This PMIC is one of the major brain of the computer, of the PCB, of the mobile PCB. So we're going to be avoid. I think this is perfect now. If you understand this, please just say yes. Or let me just go offline and go online on my YouTube or Facebook if these people are not willing to encourage me. Let me just go back to my YouTube page, JJ. So I'll be going offline here. If you want to watch, you can come to my YouTube page. Seems all of you are not ready for me here. So I want to do it in a tabular form. Functions. Charging IC. Charging IC makes the phone to charge. EMS, EMM, EMMC. Works with the ROM and RAM for booting. So PMIC works both for charging display, booting, and radio frequency RF. Can you see this? This thing makes this charging IC, of course, it's only for charging majorly. If this is not working, the phone might turn on, but the phone will not charge. This, if the phone, if this thing is faulty, the phone will turn on, but it will not boot. This, but this PMIC, the power management IC integrated circuit, works both for charging, display, booting, and what radio frequency. So that means this thing is connected to CPU. It's connected to charging IC. It's connected to radio frequency. It's connected to display and other things. You can see. Very, very powerful. It is very, very powerful.